This is our world, the one that never stops, the one that's always pushing on. We at NBHC Procom are addressing the modern day challenges by constantly upgrading and developing ourselves to bring you a better tomorrow.
One of the core values of NBHC is excellence of the quality of our services to our customers, which has helped us achieve a premier position in all our businesses. Our quality policy is anchored around two tenets: achieving service quality first time right and sustainably. We achieve this through our quality management system, which is built on world-class standards, a rigorous training to our employees to deliver these standards day in and day out, and a robust governance system. We at NBHC believe India's agriculture is poised for a big change towards exports and value-added food processing. NBHC's Procom business will be a strong enabler to India's farm community to get it on the world stage. Today, NBHC has a presence across India in over 1100 locations through its field officers. We have built our business relationships with over 2000 clients in agricultural and food processing sectors through relentless focus on building trust and delivering outstanding service to our clients.
We are India's leading sampling, inspection and testing organization. With our technical expertise and high-end equipments, we guarantee the safety and security of your food products. We understand our responsibility and are ready to meet growing demands of the rapidly expanding global community. Our lab-integrated management software, popularly known as LIMS, stores data and manages auto-notifications. Our Android app with samplers also gathers all sampling-related information on real-time basis. Our state-of-the-art, high-end equipments measure pesticide residual, heavy metal, GMO identification, allergen testing, antibiotics. We utilize world-class technology to carry out allergen testing, GMO by RT-PCR, rapid microbiology by Petri films. Our top agricultural commodities include basmati rice, groundnut, fruits, vegetables and cereals. We have issued more than 3 lakh test certificates since 2005. Annually, India exports more than 1 crore metric tons of agriculture commodities, and the agriculture export value is 1,14,056 crores over the year. Some of our target markets include processed food manufacturers, importers of raw processed food, exporters of agro-commodities, processed food, HoReCa, QSR, facility management, corporate premises including banks, IT, etc., key accounts, major manufacturers. We provide hygiene monitoring packages for our clientele. And for key accounts, we also provide trend and risk basis analysis based on their reports. We test for contaminants like microbial, chemical and NOx. We have been approved by the NABL, FSSAI, APIDA, IOPEP. At NBHC Procom, we are committed towards quality, health and safety standards, sustainability, innovation, transparent work environment and bringing you the best in healthcare. Each life deserves a healthy, safe and hygienic environment. We understand this and are committed to develop solutions to improve the overall quality of life. This is where science works for humanity. This is NBHC Procom.